Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com, how to automatically create sub-items for every new item. We'll start on your Monday.com home. From here, open the board you want to automate. In my example, I'm using a board called Sample Project, but you can follow along with any board where you want sub-items to be created by default under every new item. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the screen and click Automate to open the Automation Center for this specific board. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the Automation Center, click Create to build a new rule. Choose Create from scratch so we can define exactly what should trigger the rule and what actions should follow. First, set the trigger. Click. When this happens, then select Item Created. This tells Monday.com to run the automation anytime a new item is added to the board, whether it's created manually, imported, or added through another automation. Next, set the first action. Choose Create Subitem. You'll see a placeholder labeled Subitem. Click that if you want to adjust the default name or simply leave it as is for now. This action ensures that each time a new parent item appears, it immediately gets a Subitem beneath it, which is great for building a consistent checklist or workflow structure. Now add a second action. Click the plus button, sometimes shown as Add an Action, to stack another step onto the same automation. Again, select Create Subitem and confirm the Subitem placeholder. With two Create Subitem actions in a row, every new item on the board will automatically come with two Subitems ready to go. You can add more actions later if you want additional Subitems, but for now we'll keep it 2-2 to illustrate the setup. When everything looks good, finish by clicking Create Automation. That turns the rule on and saves it to your board's automation list. From here on out, whenever a new item is created, the system will immediately add those sub-items underneath it, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. A few quick tips as you use this. If you don't see the Automate button, you might not have permission on that board. Ask your admin. If Subitems are disabled on a board, enable them first so the actions can work. And if you ever want to rename or tweak the sub-items this automation creates, you can reopen the rule, edit the action text, and save your changes without rebuilding the whole thing. That's it. Your board now automatically creates sub-items for every new item, giving your team a consistent, repeatable structure from the moment work begins.